Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Chrysler 300 bumper. First, carefully assess the damage to your bumper. Is it a minor scratch, a dent, or a significant crack? This initial evaluation helps you decide if a simple repair is possible or if a full replacement is needed. Make sure you have all the right tools and materials ready before you begin. For minor damage like scuffs or light scratches, start by cleaning the affected area completely. Use a degreaser to remove any dirt or wax. Then, gently sand the scratches with fine grit sandpaper, like 2000 grit, until smooth. Finish by applying touch-up paint or a dedicated bumper repair compound for a seamless look. When dealing with more significant damage, such as dents or cracks, a heat gun can help reshape plastic dents. For cracks, a plastic welding kit is essential to fuse the material back together. After welding, apply body filler to any remaining imperfections, ensuring a smooth and even surface for the next steps. Allow it to cure properly. Once repairs are complete, sand the area smooth using progressively finer sandpaper, like 400 to 800 grit. Next, apply a primer, followed by several thin coats of paint that perfectly match your car's color. Finally, apply a clear coat for protection and shine. Reinstall the bumper, ensuring all clips and bolts are secure for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.